Today, I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need in order to make $700 a day online making Fortnite maps as a beginner, just like this game here, which just made a whopping $768 in literally just a span of 10 hours. Throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing you guys need to know to make money online with your Fortnite maps, which is why within doing so, that is why today as well, I thought of a no better idea but to react to your guys' games and give you guys live pointers and breakdowns and tips and tricks and strategies that you guys can use to replicate the same success that I've had so you guys can make more money online with your Fortnite maps. Trust me guys, you're going to want to watch this video until the end. If you guys want me to react to your games in the next video, click the link in the description and join the Discord. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first game that we're going to check out is by a fan and viewer of mine named That's Crazy. He made a game called Reload Minigames Gun Game, and by the looks of it, I love the thumbnail. Very, very vibrant with the Fortnite colors. The game has amassed a total player count of only 30 players, but it was only published one day ago, and obviously, if we look at the revenue here, it's only made $14, but you, my friend, are on a steady path to making over $700 a day if you actually keep this up. One thing that I would say is that this guy floating in the background, I don't really know who that is. It could be SpongeBob. You have to give more clarification of who are the people inside of these thumbnails. As well, with the description, it does look kind of clickbaity, but I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt here. Without further ado, let's go check out this game. Okay, so I'm inside of the Reload Minigames Gun Game here, and just by the looks of it, it looks very, very plain and boring. I don't really know why this is spinning. Is this what it's doing? It's selecting a game. I think that's pretty cool, the spinning, but like, it doesn't really look like this is anything really special. The UI and what I'm standing at is pretty boring, but I do like how it's spinning and it shows the location and it's randomized, but like, not gonna lie, man, the concept is, have some tweaking. I feel like you could do a lot better with it. Some of the things off the get-go that I would change is that when you actually spawn in, it looks very, very sloppy, like it's just a grass block. Like, where are you promoting your maps? Like, where's your social medias? Like, how can I follow you? Like, there isn't a lot of marketing to go with it. And the maps only last 5 minutes. I think it should die when everyone actually wins. Current map is lazy maps. Current minigame mythics only. I think that's a cool concept, but the UI and the way that it looks is not really as polished as I had hoped. But if you look at the map code here, that's fine. And I like the thing at the bottom where you have a little watermark right below the map code. 30-minute playtime for big XP. I don't really believe you actually have to have that on the screen. And it looks like I can build even though I can't. There has to be a way to win the game. If it's just 5 minutes long of just fighting and gun gaming, then there's not really anything really special with it. Like, imagine if you had gift boxes, or, you know, if people want a certain amount of mini games, they unlock, you know, certain abilities and maps that only they can play, and it's like a ranked mode. I feel like that could be cool. Like, you have a battle arena where only people with a certain rank or how many games they've won battle against people who have done a lot better. Those are just some little suggestions that I would add. What happens if I go and respawn here? New mini game. Okay, so the game ends once I die, since I'm the only person in it, it seems. No, it doesn't die. Okay, so it doesn't end. It literally just said new mini game on the screen when I died. So I don't understand what that is. And I have a new gun here because I'm dead, I guess. So it seems like whenever I respawn, it counts as me like getting a kill. So it gives me a new gun, which is kind of strange. It didn't this time, I don't believe. But maybe, yeah, it did. So every time I die, I get a new gun, which is what it shouldn't be, because that's not really what a gun game is. You're supposed to start off at square one every time you die. But the game is, it's polished. It's polished. I like the, you know, this is cool here. What gun even is this? The thermal DMR? But yeah, I think overall this game is, I'd rate it like a 7 out of 10. If you tweak the UI and you add what I suggested, this game would be a 10 out of 10. And I know for a fact, and I believe in you, that you'd be making thousands of dollars a month with this. Way to go, brother. Keep it up. That's crazy. Don't stop grinding, man. I believe in you. We're all gonna make this work out. Without further ado, let's go check out the next game. Alright, so the next game that we're gonna check out is by a fan and viewer of mine named Unblast. He made a game called Body Cam Recording, and by the looks of it, the thumbnail reminds me of a lot of Call of Duty elements, but the game has amassed a total player count of only 39 players, and the game's only made like $100. But obviously, you're on your path to making $700 a day. Let's look at the description here. So the description says, ultra player, fighting gun game, dynamic weather. This is all really, really good and dandy, but I really do admire the thumbnail because it looks very, very similar to Call of Duty, and I really hope that's what it's actually like when I actually get into this. But without further ado, let's go check out this game. Okay, so we're inside of Unblast ranked gun game body cam here, and dude, this is insane, bro. Look at my character. I'm literally in first person right now. How is this even possible? How did he even do this? But what happens when I do an emote though? If I do an emote right now, so I can actually see my skin when I'm emoting and I can see my face, but I love how it's nighttime and it's all like kind of scary looking. Dude, this is actually super, super cool, bro. Like, look at me. I'm literally in first person right now. Is there like chests that I can grab? Okay, there is. Okay, what happens if I grab this chest? Let's see. It's just like a normal battle royale, bro. That's insane, but there's only one weapon slot. So how am I gonna apply any of this if there's only like one weapon slot? Like, there's not like more than one weapon. And I can't really build, but it seems like it's just like a body cam game and everything's dark. How did you get the grainy filter? Did you copy Map Academy's tutorial? Wait, you have the OG tilted towers. When did it ever look like this? Wasn't it like brick walls instead? Okay, what's inside of this ranked chest? Whoa. Okay, so how do I drop my gun? Oh, there is more. Wait, so I can't drop my gun. So that's something you definitely need to fix. That's what I would suggest, is that have a possibility to drop your gun, because if you go to your inventory here, there's multiple slots that you can actually choose from, because that's a little upsetting. It's like you just added chests for aesthetic, and like there's really nothing I can even do with them. Dude, I'm having a blast though. I'm just walking around having fun, but I can see like the mouth of my head though. Like, I'm seeing Thanos' face. That's like super weird. Is there even a chest down here too? No way. Oh, I can't even get the chest down here. I can't break the building, but I know there's a chest down there. Let me know down in the comments if you guys know what I'm saying. Okay, so we have this workout place over here. I don't mind lifting some weights. We got a trash can over here. Well, this game is not trash, my friend. Whoa, this is cool too. You have this little gallery here. I'm so curious to see how this would actually look without the dark graining, a filter to it. Like, I'm so curious to see how it would look. Pretty weird when you try to get into buildings though. It's like I'm in it and then I'm not. Got a stop sign here. Dude, this is really, really cool, bro. You've really outdone yourself. It seems like you used my own pre-made game that I'm selling. If you guys didn't know already, I actually sell pre-made games for only a few $100s, and you guys can replicate the same success that you're seeing on screen and literally make thousands of dollars. If you guys want to know more, you guys can literally join my Discord and just reach out to me, shoot me a message, man. I don't mind helping you guys with whatever you guys have going on. Let's get rich making Fortnite maps, guys. But without further ado, I'd rate this game like a 7 to 8 out of 10. I would just change the dark graining filter and add a new game that's called like Night and Day or something. Without further ado, I love this game, man. I'm blessed. Keep killing it. Let's go check out the next game. All right, so the next game that we're going to check out is by a fan and viewer of mine named Fusion. He made a game called Superhero Red vs. Blue, and I love Emma Frost. She's looking very hot. She's looking very fine. I love Iron Man. Tony Stark looking amazing. This is a perfect game to fit the Marvel season. But without further ado, the game is amassed a total player count of only 45 players, and the game's only made around $22. Obviously, that's not the greatest, not the worst, but you can tell he's on his path to make over $700 a day making Fortnite maps, because this is great passive income for anyone who's trying to start out making Fortnite maps. This game looks honestly insane. Am I going to be able to fight like Iron Man and Emma Frost and like freeze people? I don't know, man, but I'm excited to check this out. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so we're inside of the Marvel Superhero Red vs. Blue, and I feel like I've already seen this game. Did you just... Wait, hold on, Fusion. You literally just stole a game that I gave to you, which I'm selling for a few $100s because these guys are making thousands of dollars off of my name, which I'm giving these guys these games, and you literally have a coin here that's just like for free. Like, why is this right here? Like, that's kind of just like... Also, these emojis here, this is kind of cool, but like, why is this guy doing like a sus stance? And with all of these guys and all these characters, this doesn't really look even remotely special. I do like how the characters flip though, but the text here, you could have had up here, bro. Could have added so much more, you know, special things to this. And we have Captain America here, Iron Man, but there's nobody on this side. I think this is cool though. This is really, really cool. Like Captain America. Wait, hold on. Bro, he's not even hitting the ground, man. At least like have him touch the tip, bro. Hey, yo, that's pause. But, like at least right here, at least have it touch the ground. But even with Iron Man's good though, because he's supposed to be floating. The images are pretty cool, but you could have had like more over here, like Thanos or Doctor Doom, whatever. Got the armored trucks here, the troll game. It seems like you just stole an emoji and just put a henchman face over it. I mean, a troll face. We got the vault here. We got the car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. There's no mythic abilities inside of here though. What do these powers even look like though? Okay, I'm gonna go check out these powers. Let's see. And you have a superhero. Is that Cristiano Ronaldo? How the hell did you get Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi inside of Fortnite? Should I check out that game, guys? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so we have around, how much gold do we need? 100 gold, bro. I'm not wasting 100 hours of my life. Iron Man's flying, Mysterio shield. That's cool. Captain America shield charge. Spider-Man low gravity. Okay, that's neat, I guess. We have this here. These are cannons and turrets. That's kind of cool. But like, I don't really get anything out of this. I wouldn't really ever want to use these either. It's just bad weapons. They're terrible. Control panel. Uh-oh. What does this do? Wait, what can I do? What happens if I look at cams? First floor. Yo, that's cool. You can actually look at the floors and the battlefield. Oh, but imagine if you could roam around like creative. That's a cool feature, dude. But it'd be cool if you could see them on the screen, like a video playing, like a visual. But you should be able to see the enemy person's base. Can you? Wait, let me see. Maybe I'm blind. So I'm on the blue side. Can I see the enemy's base? Oh, I can, dude. That's actually super, super cool, bro. That's a great addition. Okay, what do we got up here? Let's see. So we go across here. We got these grind rails here. I can just go across. And then up here we have... Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I almost just flew off. Okay, but we have these rails over here. Wait, why is this crossed off, though? Like, I could literally just jump over, you know? Nothing really special over there. What is this thing over here, though? What is it? Holy shit, that just sent me flying. Okay, I like that you have the rank stuff here. So you have one here. You don't have one here, though. Obviously, because there's no player over there. But I like how it shows your person at the top. Could have had it right here, though, to be honest. But overall, bro, this game was seriously insane. I'd really rate this game like a 9 or 8.7 out of 10. If you guys want me to react to your games in the next video, click the link in the description and join the Discord. Guys, please give me some suggestions of videos that you guys want to see, and join Fort Mafia, which is a course for only $40 a month where you can learn every single thing you guys need to know to make Fortnite maps. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Click the last video on the screen. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace.